a guide you to add a cover image to your Instagram reels. Let's see that how. You can go to your Instagram, tap on the story icon over there. You can go to the reel. There you can search for any of the reel you want. And I'm scrolling down to find a reel from my gallery. So I can tap on this. And from there, I can tap on next. There you can see over the icon of that reel, I can see edit cover. If you tap on edit cover, you can select it from your camera roll. If you tap on add from camera roll, you can scroll down and you can add any of the picture like this, and that will be displayed on Instagram reel as this cover photo. And if you tap on done, that cover photo has been added. This is how you can add a cover image. Or otherwise, if you need to add a cover image for the reel already that you have posted, you can go to that specific reel and you can tap on that. There you can tap on three lines. Sorry. You can go to your profile there. You can tap on that reel, tap on three lines there. You can tap on edit. From there, you can see edit. So if you tap on edit, that profile image or that cover image can be edited. This is how you can add a cover image to your Instagram reels. Thank you.